Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all the people out there. My name is Brian. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Xitsonga with Brian. Vitramina. My name is Brian Swoya, and I truly appreciate having you here on my channel. And I hope that you're going to have a good time watching my videos, and that you are going to really learn a lot. So I've tried my best, to just get gather the feedback that I always get from you guys, so that I can try and improve the videos that I make for you guys, because this is for you. So you determine how I put out my content, or how I package the content, because this is all for you. So most of you said that the previous video was information overload, because I gave you guys a lot of things in that video. So what I'm gonna do with this video and the next few videos that I'm gonna follow is that they'll be short term. So I'm just gonna be giving you about 10 to 11 10 or 11 phrases, right? Phrases or sentences. So and today's video is going to be a bit similar to last week's video, the previous video. So the previous video, I was just teaching you guys pronunciation. So I just wanted you to be able to read any Xitsonga sentence, material, phrase, or any thing written in Xitsonga when you come across it, right? So, and I hope that it really helped you. So in this video and the next few videos that I'm going to do for you, I'll be doing that, but this time I'm not focusing only on pronunciation. It's pronunciation as well as helping you guys with phrases that you can use in your daily lives, and in whatever context you find yourself in. So I'm going to so today I'm gonna be focusing on home phrases, or home, everyday home sentences that you can use when you're at home, or if you spend the whole day at home, right, with your family, or whatever. And then the next video will be focusing on something else. So I'm doing this so that your mind can like really package them well, so that you can remember that I learned this sentence or this phrase from the video that was talking about being at home, right? So I really hope that you're going to find today's video really helpful, and I hope that you're going to love it a lot. And if you do, please don't forget to just give it a like, and I'll truly appreciate it if you just left a comment and tell me what you thought of this video in the comment section. If you are new, or you have yet forgotten to subscribe, please subscribe before we start with the video. So I am going to start. I'm just going to be giving you guys 11 phrases. So how I'm going to do it is the same way as I did the previous video. So what I'm going to do first is that I've got 10 Xitsonga phrases here, or sentences, because they're very long. So I have 10 Xitsonga phrases that I'm going to give you. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to write I'm going to give you the phrase or the sentence on your screen, right? It's going to be written in Xitsonga. So this is to help you to be able to pronounce the sentence, right? So while the phrase is on your screen, I'm going to give you the definition of that phrase or that sentence, right? And then after I have given you the definition in English, then I'm going to read it out for you guys. So before I can read it out for you, I want you to try it out by yourself, right? So and I hope, try reading it by yourself first, and try just thinking of what it means. This is before I give you the definition, right? So let us start. Okay, so the first one. Oh, the sun is gone, but I hope it's not going to affect the quality of the video, of the lighting. But anyway, let's continue. So the first one, the sentence on your screen right now, it means that today I will cook pap and beans. Today I will cook pap and beans. And how it reads is, namuntlha ndzi ta sweka vuswa na tibhoncisi. Namuntlha ndzi ta sweka vuswa na tibhoncisi. I hope you got that. Let's move on to the second one. And the second one on your screen, the sentence on your screen right now, means please wash the dishes and the pots. Please wash the dishes and the pots. And how we read that is, ndzi kombela u hlantswa swibye na mapoto. Ndzi kombela u hlantswa swibye na mapoto. All right, let's go to the third one. The third one means go buy bread. Go buy bread. That's what it means. And how it reads is famba shava shingwa. Famba shava shingwa. All right, and let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna be very quick because I want this video to be like as short as possible. And the next one is, means the one on your screen right now. It means okay, let's see. Okay, I am watching Dragon Ball Z cartoons on television. I am watching Dragon Ball Z cartoons on television. And how we read that is ndzi vona tipopayi ta Dragon Ball Z ka television. The other word for television is mavona kule or something like that. Mavona kule, but I just thought let me go television. Ndzi vona tipopayi ta Dragon Ball Z ka television. All right, and let's go to the next one. And what this sentence on your screen right now means is my mom is done bathing. It's now my time to bath. My mom is done bathing. It's now my time to bath. And how we read that, it's mani va hetini ku hlamba. Inkari wa mina wo hlamba sweswi. No, inkari wa mina wo hlamba sweswi. Yes, mani va hetini ku hlamba. Va hetini ku hlamba, right? Sweswi inkari wa mina wo hlamba. Okay. Yeah, I hope you got that. Let me just repeat it one last time. Mani va hetini ku hlamba. Sweswi inkari wa mina wo hlamba. Great. And then let's move on to the next one. This one means rirhandzu. Rirhandzu means love, right? But I'm using it as someone's name in this context. Rirhandzu, open the windows, it is hot. Rirhandzu, open the windows, it is hot, just like it is where I am because I'm busy sweating up. If you can remember what sweating up is, because I gave you that in the previous video, please comment in the comment section. Please tell us or tell me, or yeah, just comment what sweating up in Xitsonga is, because I gave this to you last week. So I hope you still remember it. If you do still remember it, comment down, but I'm not going to give it to you in this video. So if you can't remember, please go check the previous video and check check what sweating up is in Xitsonga. So the next one is what pfula mafastere kaisa landwini, so that's what it means. Rirhandzu pfula mafastere kahisa landwini, right? Then the next one is the next one means that okay, powder soap is finished. We need to buy more. Powder soap is finished. We need to buy more, right? And that's what it means. And how it reads is shisipshamapa shierini. Shisibishamapa shierini. Shilava kungeteriwa. Shilava kungeteriwa. Shisibishamapa shierini. Shilava kungeteriwa. Right. So I'm sorry about that disturbance. Someone is just calling me outside. Right, and then the next one, right? So this is the fourth last one. Take these clothes, and this is the sentence currently on your screen. Take these clothes and fold them nicely and put them on the bed. Take these clothes, fold them nicely and put them on the bed. Take these clothes, fold them nicely and put them on the bed. And how it reads is teka swimbalo leswi u swi veka u swi petsa kahle u swi veka mbedweni. Teka swimbalo leswi u swi petsa kahle u swi veka mbedweni. Right. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The second last phrase or sentence of the day or of this video. Ntsako Ntsako means happiness, and I'm using it as someone's name in this sentence as well. Ntsako, go and open for the kettle. So what this means, just to give you some context, it means because you know that the place where the kettle sleep, we call it a kraal, right? A kraal or crawl. I don't know how to pronounce that word, kraal. So that's where they sleep, right? This is like in the rural areas. So when we say go and open for them, it means you taking them out, and you take them to go and eat in the bushes or in the forests. Sometimes you take them to the dam to drink water. So that's what it means, to take them out and lead them where they need to go, right? So Ntsako, go and open for them, go and open for the cows or for the cattle, right? And how it reads is Ntsako, famba uya pfulela tihomu. Ntsako, famba uya pfulela tihomu. Right. And then the very last but not least sentence of today's video, it is all right, I am listening to the news on the radio. I am listening to the news on the radio. And how it reads is ndzi yingisele mahungu eka xiyanimoya. Ndzi yingisele mahungu eka xiyanimoya. And that is it. So tell me what you think or what you thought of today's video. If you liked it, please do let me know. And if there's anything that you'd like to share in the comment section, please kindly share that, and I'll truly appreciate it. And that is it for today's video. Please do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm just going to put them in the description below. And yeah,
have you ever had a crush on a Tsonga speaking person and you'd like to impress them